Hi guys, welcome to my next video on YouTube and welcome you all for my YouTube channel. And before starting this video, let me thank everyone for your support for my last video, that is my story from sales job to day trader, where I explained my journey from how from a day sales profession I became a day trader. Okay, so thank you all for your support. I got almost 20,000 views, more than 1000 likes, more than 100 positive comments, more than 3000 subscribers, all within just 1 week. And thank you very much for your support. Please continue supporting my channel. Please continue supporting my YouTube channel so that I also get motivated to upload more videos, more motivational videos, more educational videos, which will be helpful for new traders. Okay, so thank you once again, and if you have still not subscribed my channel, then please hit subscribe button below so you'll get all the notification about my new videos. Okay, so thank you once again to everyone. So the objective of today's video is I'm going to discuss about 5 checklists for a new traders. So I get two kind of emails, messages. One, people who are already lost a lot of money in trading and they don't know what to do next. Like they are asking my suggestion, like whether they have to continue as a trader or they have to quit and they have to go back to their regular job. So I get such kind of emails, and another kind of emails and messages I get from people who are they are very keen to start day trading, but they don't know whether they have to quit the job and become a day trader or they have to continue with their current job, because on one side they want to become a day trader, another side they don't know what are the planning required before becoming a day trader. So I decided I'll make this videos and I'll discuss about 5 checklists. You need to check all these boxes, 5 checklists, whether you tick all the 5 boxes. And if you tick all the 5 boxes, then you can think about becoming a full-time trader. So I'll give you my experience. I'll be honest enough to share how I become a day trader, what are the planning I have done before becoming a day trader. Okay, now the first one is about, you have to ask yourself why you want to become a day trader. Is it that you have seen somebody making a lot of money in trading, so you think that it's easy to make money by trading, or it is really you want to have a passion for trading? Okay, so it's very important. Many people quit their job because they just want to make a lot of money. They want to become rich overnight. They think that trading is very easy and they can make a lot of money. They don't have anybody to answer. They don't have boss. They don't have company to answer. They don't have 9 to 6 kind of strict to working hours. It's so cool to become a trader that every day you make money. It's not true, guys. There are a lot of hard work required before becoming a trader. And second thing is that you have to ask yourself, is it that passion which brings you to become a day trader, or it is just money? Okay, so if you are passionate enough, then really I think you can become a full-time trader. But if it's not passion, it's only about money, then my advice is don't come to day trading. If you ask me, I started trading in 2004 and my only motive was to become a overnight rich. I wanted to make a lot of money in short time because I thought trading I can become very rich very fast. Okay, that is not true. Instead of becoming rich, I lost all my savings. That also can happen with you. So don't be under impression that trading is very easy, that very fast you can make a lot of money. Don't fall into people who says that come to me and I'll teach you how to do it and you can make a lot of money. It's not like that. Trading also, like any other profession, you can only master it after some hard work and after some practice. Okay, so it's same thing, like without passion you can't be successful in anything, right? For example, in any profession, people who are passionate, then only they reach to the top level, they reach to the higher level when they are passionate. Because when you are passionate, you work very hard for that, you will be always involved in that, and finally you become very successful in that. If you ask my case, I started my career around 20 years back as a sales and marketing profession, and I never liked my job. I was only doing sales job because I did not have any other option. So I was continuing my job just because of monthly salary, just for the salary I was working. So I was not passionate enough. So that's why I started my career in 20 years back as a sales executive, and people who started with me, they went to the position like business director, country head, business head, general manager, vice president within 20 years. But I was there only, like I started as a sales executive, I went to the national level, and when I retired after 20 years, again I was back to sales executive kind of level. My career graph was like that, roller coaster, like it was going up, coming down, going up, coming down, where normally people start from small position and they keep on growing throughout their career. But I was totally opposite. Why? Because I changed so many jobs. I changed dozens of jobs in 20 years. I was not sticking on to one company. I was quitting within few months or couple of years, going to new job, and like if I'm not happy, again quit that job. I was not passionate enough. So that is how like I could never grow in my career. But my passion was something else. My passion was financial market. My passion was stock market. My passion was trading. But I did not have enough savings so that I can take full time trading as my I can trading as a full time profession. Okay, so that's why it's important that for any profession, not only for trading, I'm saying that do only if you are passionate. Otherwise, you will stay there only. If you want to be successful, then do whatever you are passionate about. So same thing here again, I'm saying that before coming to full-time trading, come only if you are passionate, you are motivated enough to become a full-time trader, to become a good trader. If money is the only motive, then my advice is don't come to full-time trading. Okay, now the second one is about financial security. That means before coming to stock market, before coming to trading as a full-time to take up trading as a full-time profession, then you have to have a good financial security. Why? Because in trading you need a calm mind, you need to have a you should not have any financial stress, so that you can trade very peacefully, because trading is a mind game. If you are in financial stress, then you are going to take wrong decision, wrong trades, and you will lose money. So thumb of the rule is at least you should have 2 to 3 years of saving. What that mean? That mean if your monthly expenses is 50,000 every month, your house rent, your like medical bills, kids school fees, everything is around 50,000 per month, then at least you should have 12 lakhs. That means 2 years of savings plus your capital, plus your trading capital. If you have that much money in your savings, then only come to trading. And plus, please clear all your loans, all your house loan, car loan, whatever you have, clear it before coming to trading. Okay, if you don't have that much savings, second option is you should, if you have a wife or if you have a spouse who is working, who is working for good company with good salary, okay, and he or she is ready to support you and take care of like all the expenses until you turn profitable, then you can take up trading as a full-time profession. Or you are in the age of 20s, like early 30s or like mid 20s and all this, where you are still staying with your parents, you are still under your parents, and parents says that okay, you can take up trading as a full-time profession, I will support you until you become a profitable trader. If you have parents, supportive parents or supportive brother, sister who are ready to support you until you become a full-time trader, then okay, you can think about taking full-time trading as a profession. In my case, I did not have any support from family because my father is a retired professor. He is living on his pension, so I can't ask him to support me until I become a successful trader. So for me, only option was to work and make enough savings, and then only take up trading as a full-time profession. So second thing is having a financial security. Okay, have at least 2 to 3 years of saving. So 2 to 3 years, why I am saying, if you are in 20 to 30s, then you can, if you are not successful in trading, you can go back to your job. Finding a job will not be that much difficult. But if you are in plus 40s, like in my case, when I quit my job, I was in 40, my age was 42. Like it's very difficult to get the job once you leave the job in the age of 40s and 50s and all this. So my advice is, think carefully before quitting your job, or have good savings. When I quit my job at the age of 42, my salary was almost 3 lakhs per month. That time I was working in Dubai. So after converting from dirhams to rupees, my salary was around 3 lakhs. Okay, but I still quit my job because I knew that my strategy is working well. I practiced hard and I have a good backtested strategy, and it can give me profitable months, it can make me profitable trader month after month. So I had confidence in me. So but still I quit my job at the age of 42, when many of my family friends, many of my family members all were against me for quitting my job, which is paying me so much salary, and at the age of 42, but still I quit. I came back to India and I took trading as a full-time profession. Okay, because I also had a good savings. I cleared all my loans. I did not have any financial stress. So in trading, remember, it should never be like that ki you have to, like, next month you have to pay almost 50-60,000 as your bills, but you don't have anything left in your bank account, and somehow you have to make profit by trading only and then pay the bill. That never works. You will be under tremendous financial stress and you will take wrong decision, and like totally you will be doomed. Okay, so that's why don't come to trading if you don't have good bank balance. So that doesn't mean that you will take 2 to 3 years to become a successful trader. Some might take 6 months, some might become successful even with 3 months. Okay, so it depends on individual to individual, but thumb of the rule, at least 2 to 3 years of savings have in your account, and then think about full-time trading. Okay, and third thing is about discipline. Discipline means if you are a disciplined person in real life, you are very like organized person, disciplined person in real life, then more likely you will stay disciplined in trading also, because trading requires lot of discipline. It's not only about strategies. Yes, strategy is important, but same time there are two other things known as risk management and trading psychology, even that is important. So if you are a disciplined person, then you will follow discipline in your trading also, like following strict stop loss and following risk management, following controlling your emotions, and all this very important in trading. So you have to have all this discipline in trading. So if you are indisciplined in real life, then you are going to be indisciplined in trading also, and you are going to lose lot of money, and finally you will be out of stock market. Okay, so ask yourself whether you are a disciplined person. If you are not a disciplined person, then think and start working on how to become disciplined. If you ask me personally, even I was not disciplined. I was very indisciplined person. That's why I lost lot of money when I started in 2004. Then after the period of time, I realized that yeah, one has to be disciplined in real life to become a discipline in trading also. So I worked on myself, and finally I could see that difference in my trading also when I became disciplined trader. Okay, this is the third thing. And the fourth thing about practice. That means you have to practice enough before becoming full-time trader. You must have heard that saying that practice makes man perfect. So that means you have to practice for at least 6 months to 1 year before taking trading as a full-time profession. Okay, now your question could be, when I have job, how I can practice it? For that, you don't have to you don't have to practice entire day from morning 9 to 3:30. For that, there could be some time where you can practice it. For example, I was in Dubai before coming back to India, before quitting my job. So almost 1 year I used to practice every day, because Dubai and India time was different. So I would get at least 1 hour before my actual work starts. So I used to practice for 1 hour at least before I go for work. Or you may be working in some shifts. Your shift starts at 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. That time you can start trading from 9 to 12, and after that you can go for work. Or you can be any other job. Like before going to Dubai, I was into sales and marketing profession. Sales and marketing profession, you know that you will not be in most of the time in the office. You will be going out to meet the customers, and many times you will get free time because your appointment will be 2 hours away from one customer to another customers. That time you get 2 hours free time. You can practice trading. Okay, so there are many options which you can do it if you really want to practice trading. But somehow practice it. Don't think that you will quit your job and then you will practice it, because it may take some time to master the art of trading. So by the time you practice, it might be around 6 months to 1 year, and you already don't have a job, and you already not making money also in trading, and you may get frustrated that neither you have job, neither you are making money, and you may quit and don't know what to do next. Okay, so that's why my advice is practice 6 months to 1 year, and then only come to full-time trading. Okay, and the fifth one is about having an edge. Having an edge means having a good back-tested strategy. You need to have a strategy. Trading is not about just like a gambling, whether you just buy it and sell it, and if you win, then you'll get double, or if you lose, it is gone. It's not like that. There is a way, there is a method. Trading also, like any other skill, you need to have that skill. Skill will come if you have a strategy. For that, you need to have and develop some back-tested strategies. It can be anything. It can be price action strategy. It can be like indicator based. It can be on data, like it can be on market profile, order flow. It can be volume profile, or some people trade only based on data like option chain, open interest analysis, and all this. Some people rely based on charts. Okay, by chart trading. Some people rely on market profile chart. Okay, it totally depends on you. It totally depends on your style. If you ask me, I'm a pattern trader. I rely only on charts. I don't do any open interest analysis or option chain, and it's working very well for me. And so when I learned price action a few years back, and I really like price action because it's not a lagging, just like indicator and all this. These are derivative of price, so it will give delayed signal. It's known as lagging indicator. So I decided to become a price action trader. But after some time I came to know about pivot points, so I added pivot points along with price action, and I could really see that great edge in those trading pivot points and price action. And over the period of time I developed some 15 day trading patterns and strategies, and whenever I trade, whenever I take day trade, whenever I'm in day trading, I patiently wait for those patterns to happen, and then only I take my trades. Until and unless I see patterns on my charts, I don't take any trades. So I am a pure price action and pivot point trader. So for the strategies, you can develop your own strategies, or you can watch YouTube videos, or you can read some books, and or you can take mentoring, or you can attend some courses and learn some strategies. So it's up to you. Like if you want to learn about day trading strategies, about day trading patterns, then I conduct online webinars. You can check those details about my online webinars, what all I cover in my online webinar before this video link. And if you are interested, you can attend my webinar, okay, or you can do your own strategies, totally up to you. And if you ask me honestly, like I did not attend any courses, but I developed all strategies on my own after reading books, YouTube videos, back testing, everything. So some people believe in doing their own work and developing their strategies, so it's totally depends on individual. Okay, so now again I'll recap all the 5 things which we discussed. The first thing I discussed about having passion. If you have passion, then only come to trading, otherwise please don't come to trading. I agree that money is important. If you don't make money, then what is the use of coming to trading? Money is important, but before money, it is passion. If you have passion, then only come to trading, then money will automatically follows you, because you work very hard when you are passionate about something, okay. And second thing is about the financial security. Have good financial backup before coming to trading. Either have good 2-3 years of savings in your account, or you should have a spouse who is working and having good salary, so that he or she will support you until you become profitable trader. Third thing is about discipline. You have to be very disciplined person in real life, because if you are disciplined in real life, then you follow same thing in trading, because trading requires lot of discipline, okay. And fourth is about practice. So I said you have to practice at least 6 months to 1 year before taking full-time trading as a profession. And fifth is you have to have a back-tested strategy. You should have an edge. You should have an edge in your trading. So have a good back-test strategy. So these are the 5 things. You need to see whether you have all these 5 things, then only become a full-time trader. Otherwise, don't take this decision of quitting your job and being overconfident that you can make money, and you will be like every month you will be making a lot of money without having any knowledge. So don't do the same mistake what I did 15 years back, which I lost all my savings within 4 to 6 months, being overconfident, not knowing what are the preparation I have to do before coming to full-time trading, okay. So these are the 5 things, guys. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section, or any suggestion or anything you want to know, send me an email. I'll try to reply almost all emails, okay. And I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you want me to cover in the next videos. And I will come back again in the next videos with some educational kind of information. And stay tuned, and see you in the next video, okay. Thanks.